Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Sign in and confirm two-factor authentication is active so nothing interrupts changes. Open the app or website and go straight to Settings, then Accessibility or Language. Don't browse menus. Once there, check your current language and region. Make a quick note or backup of local preferences so you can revert if needed. This initial check prevents locking yourself out and prepares you for safe changes, especially on shared or managed devices. Now proceed. Choose the target language from the available list, and if the system offers a preview, scan key screens to confirm correct dialect and terminology. Then adjust related formats, date, time, number formats, and keyboard layout, because language alone often leaves mismatched inputs. Once you hit Save or Apply, let the interface reload. Make sure menus and core screens reflect the change. If translations look incomplete, switch to a similar language or regional variant and reevaluate before moving on. Finish by restarting the app or device so all language assets load consistently across components. This resolves many partial updates. Then review critical workflows, forms, notifications, help text, and restore your backup or repeat the change if you spot untranslated segments. If the interface throws errors or shows garbled text, clear the app cache and retry. If problems persist, contact support with a screenshot and steps taken. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.